Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Andy Show. Andy here, and this is an update for March 22nd. Just wanted to let you know that we currently have 1,585,550,197 shares in the Iraqi Stock Exchange. We have a total net asset value of 1,663,068,533 dinar. And we're currently showing a total profit of 444,417,228 dinar. Our overall investment is 1,202,721,748 dinar. Take that with an increase of the 444 million, and that's where you get your net asset value of 1,663,068,533 dinar. There have been a lot of changes. We are now recording a profit of 98.97% on Bank of Baghdad. Our average price is 0.417. It is currently at 0.83. Gulf Commercial Bank, we are up 61.79%. We're paying an average of 0.412, and it is currently worth 0.230. Al Mansour Bank, if you recall, for the past several times, there was just a change recently, but we were staying in the negative on this one. It is now up. We're averaging 0.623, and it's at 0.68. Head on over to Asia Sell, which is where we are concentrating on buying currently. We have 59,041,000 shares. We are up 17.74%. Our average price now is 7.635, and it's at 8.99. It has gone up over 9 a couple of times, and this one keeps fluctuating, but it is staying up. And the reason we're only 17.74% up on this is because our average buying price continues to rise as we're paying the market price as we continue to add millions to this stock. So that price, as we continue to buy for around 9, well, then our average price is going to continue to increase from this 7.559. So this percentage will likely continue to drop just a little bit, and we don't really care because we're not in it for the short haul. We're in it for the long haul, and we're in it for when it changes over. You can just guesstimate at 1-to-1. $59 million. If it pays, generally it's been paying over 10%, pays 1 dinar, again 1 dinar per share. So we would have 59,041,000 dinar if they pay out, which we should hear something about here in the next few weeks, and we'll know more about what they're paying out. It could be, I'm guessing, anywhere from 10 to 13%. Typically, it's, like I said, it pays 1 dinar per share, and that is going to be dependent on the actual price of the dinar. So it should be over 10%, but we'll see how that one goes. Al Mansour Pharmaceutical is currently up 29.62%. We paid an average of 1.311 with all the costs involved. It's now at 0.17. Baghdad for soft drinks is up 49.06%. We paid an average of 3.086. It's currently sitting at 4.6. So all total, we are up 36.87% on our stocks. Good figure to have. So this is what we've got now. We do have still I believe a $20,000 wire that has not been taken in by the group yet. It should be there. They probably will let me know either today or tomorrow. Then they will start adding a little more Asia Cell. Like I said, we're going to work on Asia Cell for a while. It's by far the most expensive stock we have right now, and I want to get to at least 100 million if time permits, and that's our goal for now, is to raise this up to 100 million, and then we'll get to work on these two, and then I'm going to add, probably buy back into Mamura Real Estate, which is their construction stock, and we'll just see. Depending on time and if they revalue, when they revalue, we'll have to adjust our plans. But for now, TASC, where we've got just under 41 million to go to get to our goal of 100 million, and we're just going to keep buying this one up. It is, between that one and Baghdad for soft drink, our two best paying dividend stocks. And we'll get this one up also to 100 million after we get this one to 100 million, again, time permitting. Alright, so let's go to our statement of account, and this will show you the last wire was the 22,000 wire. We still have another wire to purchase, but you can see that we bought Asia Cell here and here at 92.12 and 9.216 respectively. We will continue. You can see where we stopped buying the other stocks, which was our original plan, and we went to strictly to Asia Cell to build that one up. And as you can see, before we were paying quite a bit more. Then it dropped a little bit and we're buying again. So this should show probably tomorrow at the latest. It should show another inward transfer of 18,000 something, I guess, depending, or 19,000 something dollars. We sent 20,000, so they'll take the conversion fee out of that, and then they'll start buying more Asia Cell. So there you go. We'll just keep working on this plan, working on this goal, see where that gets us, and keep hoping. Don't be discouraged. I know this was supposed to be the weekend, and it's been talked about more and more, and when you want to listen to these gurus speak, they'll give you another date to hope for. Basically, it boils down to nobody knows a thing. All we're doing is guessing. This is a long-term investment, and we are waiting for the dinar to change value. That will happen when it happens. Nothing we can do to make it happen any faster. Nothing we can do by listening to these fake gurus telling you every other day that it's going to happen. My best advice is stop listening to all the hoopla and the garbage out there. Most of them are pathological liars for whatever reason. They do not know anything. They don't have any inside sources. They don't have anything like that. There are no 800 numbers. There are no exchange, or whatever they call them, exchange centers. I just went blank on what they call it. But you will go to your regular bank that deals with currency exchange, and you'll be able to exchange that way. Do not let dinar out of your sight. Do not, I can't stress this enough, do not turn your dinar over to anyone. When you allow this, I don't care how smooth they talk, they are out to steal your dinar from you. Okay? Do not turn it over to anyone. There are no redemption centers. There are no such thing as redemption centers. It's all a lie. And you've got to think about it logically. Currency, there are how many countries out there? They all have their currency. Banks exchange all currency that's not under some kind of sanctions. Okay, but most currencies, you go to a bank, you tell them I want X amount of won, or X amount of dong, or X amount of rupees, whatever it may be, You give the bank your money, they give you the foreign currency. This is not any different. Who would be crazy enough to open a redemption center and go to all the expense just to cash in your dinar? One specific currency. It's just not true. Either that or they're going to have such high exchange rate fees that it would make it worth it. But overall, somebody to go to the expense to open a redemption center for the strict purpose of cashing in dinar when there really aren't that many people that own dinar in this country. I'm not saying there aren't a lot of people, but for you to open a center in a specific city when banks will be doing it most likely for a very, very small fee, if not free, all you're going to get in a redemption center are suckers that will pay a 2, 3, 5% exchange rate. Be careful who you deal with. That's all I can say. Don't turn your dinar over to anyone. Don't tell others how much dinar you have. You're just going to become a target. So with that, this is the update for March 22nd, and I hope you all have a great day. God bless you all, and we will talk again soon.